Let's bake some delicious holiday treats. Today we are making crunchy and chewy pistachio cranberry cookies, packed with roasted pistachios, sweet and tart, dried cranberries, a hint of vanilla, and just the right amount of sweetness. These egg-free, dairy-free cookies are perfect for holiday parties, gifting, or enjoying with a warm cup of cocoa on a cozy winter evening. Whether you are baking for a crowd or looking for a festive homemade gift, this easy cookie recipe is the ultimate holiday treat. Let's start baking. Chop the pistachios. Once done, set them aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine half a cup of vegan or regular unsalted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix until smooth and creamy. This gives the cookies their perfect crunch and chewiness. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. Sift in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Also sift 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add half a cup of chopped pistachios and 6 tablespoons of dried cranberries for that irresistible nutty and tangy taste. Mix well using a spatula. Then mix with your hands. Gradually add 2-3 tablespoons of dairy or plant-based milk and mix until a smooth dough forms. Once the dough is ready, shape it into a 10-inch log. Wrap it tightly with a parchment paper or plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or up to 2 hours. Chilling helps reduce too much spreading while baking. Once the dough is chilled, unwrap it and slice it into 1/2-inch thick pieces. Gently smooth the edges if needed. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Place the cookies 2 inches apart on the prepared baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until the cookies are lightly golden brown while the center remains slightly underbaked. The centers will firm up as the cookies cool. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For a festive finish, lightly dust with icing sugar. Your delicious Eggless Pistachio Cranberry Cookies are ready. Enjoy them with a glass of hot milk, hot chocolate, or your favorite coffee. Try these Eggless Pistachio Cranberry Cookies this holiday season. They are easy to make, irresistibly delicious, and perfect for gifting or sharing with loved ones. Happy holidays and happy baking! See you next time!